they say it's his rear end or something, right?
Yeah.
You know damn well, unless he changed the rear end or something.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that rear end.
Watch this. Watch he come back and race tonight.
Okay.
She just got pulled
I'm finna see. I probably need to go back there and see where
Hey, call him out, look out.
I'm finna go. I'm finna tell him. Okay, I'm finna call him out. Hey, look out, look out. Let me see what we got. We got an Omar car here. Let me see, Rhode Island. Look out, Rhode Island. Let me see, we got this S10 coming up. Got this S10 coming up. Okay. Look at what's up with it, man. Got my boy. Dolly me gusta, y'all. He gonna dolly. Got my boy right here. What's up with it, man? Well, they got a line to get in Yello Belly. Yeah, she was on CJ with 32, on 32 channel. What's up with it?
What's up, bro?
We got it going on in here. Y'all on my channel, right?
Sir.
Look Out Racing. Okay, I probably need to go get some more cars.
Broke my head off in that hole.
That what you would have did?
Hey, they got a snake.
A snake, y'all. Okay.
Scared the shit out.
Oh shit, we got.
I'm waiting on the car.
I gotta go. Damn. What time you leaving? Cause you see all this line. You gonna
take
you gonna move it?
What other merchandise you got? You gonna be letting me know?
Yeah, I got some new shirts coming in, y'all. I got some new shirts. I just got the Dolly McGooster shirts coming in.
I'm waiting for the winter time so I put my beanie.
I got the beans. I got hats. I got new hats coming in.
Okay, I need
Damn, let me see what kind of hat. Okay.
this cookie.
You wear, okay. Yeah, I see you.
I'm gonna wear yours.
Okay, bet. She gonna wear the Look Out Racing hat, y'all. We gonna have. Okay, what color it need to be? What color it need to be?
What colors you got?
I'm gonna have all colors. I got them red and blacks.
Red and black. You get like 3 different hats.
Okay, she getting 3 hats, y'all. She getting 3. Okay, 3 hats and a shirt.
You know I gotta represent.
She gonna represent, y'all. Yeah. She gonna be representing. Simba gonna represent all day, one time for the one time. She been all at the lake. She gonna be at the. Yeah. Yeah, she gonna be at the club, 7th Street.
Look Out Racing.
Yeah, I'm gonna say they tell me, I got a couple people on here telling me they done seen you on the CJ with 32's channel. They done seen on there, y'all. Dang, I got.
That's old news.
That's old news, man. She been on there. That was goddamn me 6 months ago almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, she
That was in February.
yeah, that was February news. Now she on Look Out Racing channel. That's what's this? July news. We on July news, y'all.
What's today? July what? July
14th. July 14th, man, it's going down. We got Simba in the building. My boy finna run his car right here. Yeah, my boy about to run his car. Full pairs or no full pair? No full pair. Oh, grudge race against who? Okay. Okay. Oh, they looking for an Instagram. You shouting out Instagram out this week? Big Simba, y'all. Let me give it right. Boom. Big Simba. Damn. Man, that thing done jumped, man. God damn. Man, it was way lower than that the last time I looked. God. She done got back right. Oh yeah, you did say somebody hacked one of your old page.
36K and I got hacked.
Okay, yeah, man. I seen it when she started.
I'm halfway there now.
Yeah, I seen it when she started at the bottom, y'all. It started back over. Yeah.
I had like 9 to 8.
Yeah, 8,000. It was 8,500. She building it up. She finna help me build mine up, y'all. We finna make a pass in a minute. Put it on her channel. Yeah, we gonna put it on her channel. Somebody say them all bots. I heard a turbo up here. Uh-oh. Ali chinga. Ala chinga. Okay. Look out. Let me see what this is up here with this turbo. Ooh. sure y'all hitting that share button. It's free. A la chingada. All my people on TikTok, come check out my YouTube channel. I'm finna get her to move the car up to the front after these. Yeah, I'm gonna see if she move the car to the front. GM say he just now getting back from her Instagram. Did you like it over there? Tommy Searcy. He say he a fan, y'all. Like he confused about that shifter. Right lane for the win. Damn, he done broke the rear end, y'all. Let me see. What is it I needed to do? I wanted some dap.